Located only a few miles from the harbour town of Porthmadog and 4 miles away from the seaside town of Criccieth, Rhos Wen is a modern, stylish bungalow-type cottage in its own large grounds and garden, with all accommodation on ground floor. Inside you'll find a welcoming light and airy lounge, featuring a Welsh slate fireplace coupled with a multi-fuel stove for the winter months. Through a spacious hallway you'll find a well-equipped kitchen with plentiful supply of quality pots and pans and Portmeirion pottery. From a light lunch to hosting a meal for friends, everything you need is on hand. The master bedroom comes with a 4-poster, is ensuite and features a power shower with body jets and your very own stunning sauna to ease away the stresses of modern life. Another double bedroom with quality furnishings. Next door, the bathroom comes with an electric shower over a large P-shaped whirlpool bath. Finally, the twin bedroom with full-sized single beds, making it the ideal holiday accommodation for you and your family.